Far away from the hustle and bustle of modern society, deep in the forest, a lonely white tower stands sentinel. Inside are the only two people for miles, Rangers Lu Jun and his wife, Wang Zhuan. In August 2021, President Xi Jinping met the couple during his inspection of Saihanba, a vast forest farm in the northernmost tip of Hubei Province, North China. During this trip, he said that Saihanba has successfully built a man-made forest of over 1 million mu, creating a model in the world's history of ecological progress.
我在林场已经工作了30年，从事瞭望员工作今年已经14年了。望海楼既是我的工作岗位，也是我的家。总书记称赞我们的工作很光荣，林子里这么多年没有发生过火灾，确实是不容易。
Today, while each is equipped with automated infrared monitoring systems, machines can make mistakes. So the knowledge and experience of custodians like Liu and Wang are irreplaceable. The Saihanba that greeted the first forest pioneers 6 decades ago was a dusty, barren hinterland. Today, it is the world's largest man-made forest. Among the first generation of Saihanba forestry workers was Chen Yanshen. Chen was as green as she hoped the land could be one day. When aged just 19 years old, she arrived in Saihanba with her 5 high school classmates. When President Xi was in Saihanba last year, he recognized Chen at first sight. Chen was one of the people to accept the UN Champions of the Earth Award in 2017, awarded to the Saihanba afforestation community for their outstanding contribution to the restoration of the degraded landscape.
在林子里，总书记呢第一眼就认出了我，他问我：“老同志，你是不是去国际领奖的那位？”我说：“是的。”总书记呢非常关心我的生活，他问我什么时候进厂的，都做了哪些工作，让我感到非常的亲切。总书记对我说，他从前没有来过塞罕坝，可是我感觉他对塞罕坝非常的了解。
Saihanba is always on President Xi's mind. In 2017, 4 years before his inspection tour, Xi made an instruction about the forest, which included recognition of what he termed the Saihanba spirit, a motivational concept that celebrates the determination, hard work, and enterprising attitude of the community and their commitment to green development. Behind the success of Saihanba, which President Xi spoke highly of, was the hard work and dedication of generations of Saihanba people like Chen. Winter can last up to 7 months in Saihanba. Such harsh conditions not only make life hard for the custodians, but threaten the survival of the very trees they serve and protect.
当时我们的生活条件非常的艰苦，我们只能住在马棚里、窝棚里、茅草房里。我们喝的是雪水、雨水、沟塘子里的水，吃的是黑油面、旧咸菜和土豆。冬天呢，塞罕坝的气温就达到零下40多度，一刮起白毛风，脸上就像刀割一样。但是我们一想到我们亲手栽的小树一棵棵成活，就觉得呢，这些苦都算不了什么。
Over the years, almost every technique under the sun has been tried out in Saihanba as the teams battled against drought, frost, and pests to nurse their saplings to maturity. At the project's peak, 53 square kilometers of trees were planted in just 1 year.
作为新一代塞罕坝务林人，我们将传承和发扬好塞罕坝精神，接续奋斗，将这来之不易的林海抚育好、管理好、保障好，力争到2030年，塞罕坝的森林面积达到120万亩，森林覆盖率提高到86%，森林生态系统更加健康、稳定、优质、高效。
Saihanba is called the lung of North China and functions like a green shield for Beijing and adjacent regions. And there are numerous other projects across the country that, just like Saihanba, have breathed a new life into the country. Over the past decade, China has planted 960 million mu of trees. The country's forest coverage has reached 23.04%, up 2.68 percentage points from 2012. From 2016 to 2020 alone, China had regreened a total area of land the size of Germany. The transformation of Saihanba is a vivid example of the unremitting determination of the Chinese people, led by the CPC, to improve their nation. So, looking ahead, under the guidance of Xi Jinping, thought on ecological civilization, conservation, and green development will continue to be priorities for the nation. This will ensure a better world for all.